Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. The Pogues are back, and the first half of Outer Banks 4 is an incredible rollercoaster we can't go over. However, the first glimpse at Part 2 is weirder than we've seen. Outer Banks Season 4 starts with filling in the time gap of what the Pogues have been up to, which we never saw at the end of Outer Banks 3. The Pogues went from being broke and wealthy for a little period of time to getting broke again in an absurd turn of events. That seems to be something the Pogues will always have, and it's one of the things that sets them apart. Things turned out to be even more profound than that with everything they unravelled. And it will only get even more fascinating as soon as the Pogues met Wes Genre and his son-in-law, Chandler Graham. They were hired by WestJet to find the amulet, but it got even crazier when money became the least of their worries. Their eerie building was the first clue that something wasn't right, and Chandler's apparent interest in Jay suggested there might be more to him. There's the curse, which exacerbates the situation. Issue, which Wes informed them of prior to assigning them the task. However, the bizarre turn of events at the end caught us off guard, as it turns out that Jay's is Wes's grandson. This will alter the course of events for the second half of the season, as Jay has felt abandoned for a very long time. This has contributed to his tendency to act impulsively and without careful thought, which has had a significant negative impact on the Pogues. Additionally, we witness history repeating itself as he struggles to support his estranged father, and his acute father issues continue to destroy him. Father manages to escape once more, but this time he's going to be in even more of a mess as he seeks to learn more about his true origins, particularly in relation to his mother Lisa, who died on the Albatross, and the guy he's always called Dad. In Part 2, the Pogues have a lot of work ahead of them as they try to figure out what Wes wanted to tell Jade. It will be more work than that though, since Part 2's second half may also become dark, even though they find it hard to believe that occurs to be. Given that Wes and his family eliminated them one by one, and that he saw strange signs and storms before dying, there may be some truth to the story about ghosts and curses. If this is the case, Jade could be in grave danger in Part 2 because he is a descendant of the afflicted family, though it is absurd to consider that he could die in the same way as those who came before him. There are indications that Season 4 Part 2 may take place here because the character's actor, Rudy Panow, is reportedly leaving the show after Season 4, therefore utilising this plot to live him through would be one approach. It's interesting to note that if a compelling character like Jay dies, the show and its audience might never fully recover. Therefore, there might be alternative ways to avoid that point. Learning more about the curse or whatever might be causing the losses in Wes's family will solve a lot of issues because the Pogues always manage to find a solution to any issue, even if it causes them more difficulties later. For more videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.